Hello guys, welcome to the Design Tech Center YouTube channel. In this video I will be telling you about the paints option and how to manage the paints and how to apply the paints into a Revit model. So let's continue. First step, what you have to do is you have to set the visual style to the realistic style. Here this is viewing in the hidden line format. So here you will be having the at the bottom of the left corner you will be having the option visual style here. So click on this visual style. Here you will be having the option various kinds of option like wireframe. You can view it in wireframe. This is hidden lines and shaded. We need to select the realistic view. So select the realistic view. Why? Because when we apply the paint we can view the realistic view of our model when we view it in realistic format. So you have to go to the manage option over here. Go to the manage option. Here you will be having the materials option here. Click on the material option. Here one window will be opened. Here we will be having the various options over here, the different kinds of materials and paints and all. First we will see how to manage. We will first list the different kinds of materials and paints which we are going to use into our model. So here you will be having the option create and duplicate. So first what you have to do is click on this. Here it will be asking to create or duplicate the material. So we have to create a new material. So click on this new material. Here as you can see the default new material is been formed. So right click on this. Here you will be having the option rename. Click on this. So you can name any name, or I will be suggesting you to just give the number, so it will be in right sequence. So this will be our first material, so I will give number 1 and enter. So it will be on the top always. So keep it selected, and here you will be having the asset browser option over here. Click on this asset browser option. Here different kinds of materials it will show. Here as you can see the appearance library. From this we are going to select the various materials. Click on this, double click. So here as you can see there are various kinds of materials and paints available over here. So ceramic, concrete, default, fabric, finish, flooring, glass, liquid, masonry, and many more options are available here. Here you also have the paint option and wall covering, wall paints, wood, etc. So first I will be selecting a material to the front elevation of our model. So I will be giving a masonry kind of appearance or texture into our elevation. So here as you can see the masonry option is available here. In the masonry option also you will be having various kinds of option: brick, CMU, stone. So I will be selecting the stone option over here. As you can see the different masonries are available. So let's see other options here. So here we have stone option. Stones, as you can see the stones also different kinds of arrangement of stones are available here. So let's select this one. So when you click on this option it will be replaced with that materials. So here it will be showing the properties of that material. You can zoom it and view it. It is like this. So okay, next we will be creating one more material here. So again create, and I will rename it as 2, and here again keep this selected and go to the asset browser option, and I will be selecting one more stone option here, stone material. So let's go to the masonry. so it is not impressive. So graphite, so this one more option I will be selecting, and it's okay. Second material is also ready. Again we will be creating one more material for our side walls. Which color we will be giving? I will rename it as 3 and go to the asset browser. Here you have wall paints option. Here you need glossy or matte finish option, so I will be taking matte here. So select any color which you want. I will be selecting this color, and here you can also adjust the color. You can edit the color texture and the appearance also. So here you can see various kinds of option here. So color, finish, application and all. So edit color, you have the option here. You can make it dark or light, or you can adjust according to your need. So here also here you have matte finish, semi gloss, gloss. So I need matte finish here, and it's okay. Here 3 materials have been selected, so I need 2 more materials. I will be selecting again asset browser. I need a wood kind of texture to one of my element. It can be gate or something. I'll be selecting this. Okay, let's create one more. For gate you can select any wood color. I'll be selecting one more wood, or you can select the metal also. Let's select this metal. Okay, and I will be creating one more material as a site work material. So we will be selecting the grass or grass color into this. So file number is already available. It's 6. Let's select grass here. Okay, our materials have been selected. Okay, once the materials are selected, you can close this option. After selecting all the colors, next you have to go to the modify option here. In the modify option you will be having the paint option over here. So paint option, you can select the paint option over here. Here, as you can see, the selected colors are available here in the series. So you can select color and apply wherever you want according to your plan. So first I will be applying this color at sides. So I have selected this color. Now you can move this to which side you want to color, and you can just color it. Just click on this and you can color it. Next I will be coloring this side. The wall is selected. Just click on this and you have colored it. Next this side, and it's colored. Here in the front elevation I will be showing you how to apply two colors into a single wall, that is splitting the walls and coloring two colors into a single portion. That is one color at this portion means another color you can apply into this portion. So what you have to do is, here in the modify option, same modify option, you will be having the option here split element. Click on the split element option. So you can now split the wall wherever you want the portion. The first of all, what you have to do is you have to select the wall which you want to split. So I want to split this wall, so I have selected this wall, and in the modify option you will be having the split element option over here. Click on this split element and you can split wherever you want. So I want to split over here. Now you can press the escape button two times, and then you can select again the paint option here and you can paint. So I want to paint this texture or this masonry in this portion. So I have selected this portion and the normal paint into this portion. So it is being selected. Now you can view here. As you can see, different paints have been created into a single portion, and now you can do a number of things like this. So I hope all of you have understood this. So we will be updating the next videos soon. Thank you.